Good morning, fifth graders. So today we are going to switch gears a little bit. Today we're going to be looking at patterns. We know patterns can be the shapes that go in order or whatever it might be. So our patterns are going to be with numbers. It's math. So we are going to start with 5 and then continue to add 5 each time. If it asks you what are the first 5 terms in this pattern, we would say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Between each of these numbers, I am adding 5, and it said start with 5. So there is my pattern that we are looking at. Here's another pattern that you could look at. Start with 20, then add 20. So if I am starting with 20, then add 20. What is the next 4 terms? 20, 40, 60, 80. The fourth term is 80 in my problem. The third term is 60. The second term is 40. And the first term is 20. Term just really means like what number are we looking at? So we look here. How do both lines of patterns correspond to each other? So pretty much that's just saying, what do you see? What do you notice about the numbers when we look at them? So I'm going to give you a couple seconds here. Pause the video that's happening and ask yourself, when I look at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, what do I notice? So pause the video, think in your head. When you're done, then come back on. All right, so some ones that I have the top number is 1/4 of the bottom. So 5 is 1/4 of 20. 10 is 1/4 of 40. So on that way. Another one that I had is the bottom number is 4 times bigger than the top. So 20 is 4 times bigger than 5. 100 is 4 times bigger than 25. And my last one that I have here is the top number multiplied by 4 gets you to the bottom number. 5 times 4 equals 20. 15 times 4 equals 60. 20 times 4 equals 80. So today what you're going to be doing is you're going to be looking at 2 sets of numbers and 2 sets of patterns, and how do those correspond with each other. Remember, you have a Google form to fill out with a few questions to look at those patterns and create some.